Hold on, my viewers. My God.
Yeah, this is a round leaf. It's all about family. With our road, with an eagle.
Go some man. We're no eyeglass.
No.
Oh, what do you mean? Chat boat.
Yeah, this is a black whisk.
Okay. Black whisk.
Yeah, black whisk, yeah.
How much more that way?
About 25 pounds.
Yeah.
It's a round leaf.
Round leaf, my viewers. Same color, not going to change.
Not going to turn black.
Yeah, not going to turn black. Yeah?
No fertilizer.
No fertilizer is on it.
Jamaican farmers. Hot.
Jamaican farmers.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers, to another episode, Jamaican Farmers. So don't watch the glare of the sun, all right? Watch the color of the morning, bright and smooth, all right? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I'm here in the hills. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's all about we on a plantation here. So stick around. Don't move that dial. There's a lot of things to show you here, man. Yeah. Yes, my viewers, we're upon a plantation, you know, with Farmer Shabby. Yeah, otherwise known as Everton, you know what I mean? Yes, as you can see, yeah, we have whole yam here. Yeah, man, and we have the plant just started to shoot, you know. Whole heap of planting. Yeah. Yeah, man, we have whole plant. Watch the sucker them, the sucker them pretty. Alright? Yeah, man. So, yeah, Shabba.
Yeah, man.
You're up on the farm, yeah?
Yeah, man, welcome, man.
I
want to water up some lemon plant, what I plant, you know?
Oh, some lemon. All right, make a go on it, you know. So, how long your plant going here, so?
I plant going about 20 years, yes, sir. Right, yes, sir.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
You got some, man. Whole for your man thing.
Yeah, man.
What you mean, man? All right, my viewers, you go water some lemon. Oh, you say melon or lemon?
Lemon.
Lemon. Okay, lemon. Yes, my viewers. Where you your name again? Around here, sir?
Mountain pen.
Oh, mountain pen. My viewers with their mountain pen. Yeah, man. Come Reddles, Campbells and come up. Yeah. All right, my viewers. See it ya?
Yeah, man. You water them, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, the melon, man.
Lemon.
Lemon, me I say melon. Yes, the viewers, we have sugar cane here. Sugar cane, the viewers. Sugar cane, see? Yes, I. We have one more lemon here, so again. Yeah? Yeah, man, it's all about the sugar and water, you know, so we have to plant the lemon them, you know? Yes, my viewers, we in the hills and valley. Mountain pen, we in a mountain pen. Yeah?
One mountain pen.
Yeah, man, one mountain pen in the world. Yeah. All right, yeah, so. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. Lemon. Yeah, man, trumpet leaf. This is trumpet leaf. My viewers, trumpet leaf. It's good for diabetes, good for high blood pressure. Yeah, trumpet. Yeah, man.
You know, sir, less than 3 years, I'm planting coconut tree.
Yeah. Less than 3 years, so about 2 years and mash.
Yeah, 2 years mash.
Yeah, man, soon start beer. Yeah, I mean, man, soon start beer, man. Look at some, man. Soon start beer. Yeah, man, give man a little clean up. Yes, my viewers. Don't know. It's all about farming, you know. We have to plant something, you know. You can see it there. Coconut soon start to cook beer. Yeah, man, the coconut tree soon start beer. Yeah, less than 3 years. Yes, that me at
So when a man planting, have to reap.
when a man plant, him have to reap.
Next man, lemon there.
Yeah, man, lemon, my viewer. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. To give them some water because the time dry, my viewers.
Yeah, by the time dry, man, so you have to water them. If you don't water them, they go dead.
Yeah. Yeah, my viewers, have to water them.
So So yam bank.
You go someone. You that my viewers. Go dig some yam bank, you know. Yeah, man. So you don't know. This man is a man who plant whole heap of yam. How much bank of yam they here, sir?
We have 800 bank of yam right here.
What? 800 bank, my viewers, you hear that? Yeah.
Plus me about 150 cross rate.
Oh. Okay. Over the next side.
Yeah.
Yes, my viewers, as you can one here.
Already planted.
And too. Yeah.
So wait for some rain to grow.
Yeah, man. I wait for some rain to grow up and thing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean, man? See there? Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. Yes, I. So,
These are sweet yam head.
yeah, sweet yam head, my viewers.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Sweet yam head, them here. As you can see, the sweet yam, that white yam you eat in the plate, put into the plate. Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, with a nice piece of fish. Yeah. The real, man. Sweet yam head. Right?
I'm going to show you a yellow yam when we dig last week.
All right. Yeah, that my viewers, I'm going to show you a yellow yam I dig last week. Yeah?
And this can't eat this one, you know.
Yes, sir. Jeez. What on, my viewers? My God.
Yeah, this is a round leaf.
Round leaf, yeah, my viewers. Gee, how much more that way?
About 25 pounds.
Jesus Christ. So wait now. So how long a plant at night ground? You have it in the ground for?
You know, say never plant.
Eh?
We just put it on a yam stick and a beer.
My God.
Never plant no bank.
Yeah.
Right on a yam stick and put on head and a beer.
My God, my viewers, you hear that?
Beer outside of the bank.
Yeah. My God.
Yeah,
Huge. Yes, my viewers, this is all about when I say plant something. You know what I mean? Although this never planted, just put away and, you know, it bear.
Yeah, man.
My God. Look at that. That is it. My God.
What next one?
For next one, my viewers. For next one, for sure, we are going. You know what I mean, my viewers? That is... Yeah.
It's a round leaf.
Round leaf, my viewers. My God, so wait now. All of this, you can eat, cut up and cook.
Yeah, man.
My God, because round leaf not really grow long, you know, it round. And chucky, but them always dry.
Yeah, man.
My God. Yes, my viewers.
Best.
Yeah.
Yam, people.
Best yam, man. Dry and nice, you know. Yeah, man.
Can't make it cold.
Can't make it cold. Wait dry. Round leaf. My God, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. Yeah, man.
Come right up with some chocolate.
Yeah, make it keep cool.
Keep cool.
Yes, my viewers. You know what I mean, man? Yeah, man. Shabby on the ground, you know. Yeah, man, in a plantation. I tell you.
Yeah.
Yes, my viewers overseas, if you not want to come to Jamaica, come take a chat through one of them farm here. Yeah, man, the link in the description. Just check it out. Yeah. The real man, I tell you.
Yeah, man.
It's all about farming in Jamaica, my viewers.
These are yam plant last week.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Looking good.
So them are wait for the rain.
Yeah, we need some rain and all. Father, blessings. The sky's beautiful, man. We need some rain, Father God. Yeah.
We'll get it, man. We'll get it.
Yeah, man. We'll get the rain, man.
And just a bus out of the bank.
Yeah. Beautiful, man. You want some water, you know.
Yeah.
You know. Yes, I.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. It not dig yet.
No.
Yes, I.
Yeah, me say all of these you have never planted last year.
Oh, okay. You mean you just leave them and them start spring back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not one plant.
You understand? So like how it stays so now, they not burn?
No, they're not burn.
Okay. Okay.
See them now?
Yeah, then start grow back.
Yeah, they might ready for plant right now.
Oh. So you go dig them now and cut off your head and plant them back?
Yeah, and plant them back.
Okay. Me
Yeah,
understand. I understand. Go so man.
Yeah, man, food there, man.
Yeah, food there. And once food there, you want the food to go in the kitchen.
Yeah.
And that me I talk about, man. Have to plant something, my viewers. If we not plant, we not go eat. Not go eat, my viewers, if we not plant. Have to plant something. John no star. Now the early morning, yeah. See the hillside, my viewers. Watch the hillside. Yeah, man. We inside the cockpit country, you know, of Chilani, you know. Yeah, man. You really are. You see that? Yeah.
This is a yamed.
That is ahead, my viewers.
It's ready for plant.
Ready to plant. Have a long vine. Yeah?
Yeah, man.
For real. For real. I mean, man. Yes, I. Yes, I. Whole heap of work in a plantation, my viewers.
Yeah, man. What if I work, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
When I time I want to come through, man, come travel with it through the plantation, you know?
If you plant, you can't eat, you know?
Seeing. Have to plant before you can eat. Yeah, man. Right. Now check out a bank here. Oh, the one they gone.
Yeah. That's what that
Okay.
for plant, you know?
Okay. Checking the next one here. I round leaf them here?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, because I can see it how it round. Round leaf, my viewers. Round leaf that.
You have to trim up the edge for plant, you know?
Yeah, clean it up.
Yeah.
Yeah. And cut off the body part of it. Show them how you cut it and
Yeah. And make it sun.
Make it sun beat, it go burn the night, you know? Yes, my viewers.
You know what yam they call Mozilla?
Yeah, man, white yam.
Big, grow big.
Yeah.
If a bank of a plant 2 years, I'm going to dig it.
How are you said? You hear that, my viewers? Mozilla yam, 2 years in plant it and him not dig it yet. Like this?
No.
Oh. That means that yam supposed to big.
This is a purple. This is a purple sprout Mozilla.
Okay.
Not Mozilla, round leaf.
Round leaf, okay. Purple sprout. Cause it's purple when it start to sprout.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll show you the Mozilla.
Alright, we're going to see the Mozilla that he planted 2 years ago. Yeah. Plant look like a plant in a special bank.
Yeah.
Like this, my viewers. Plant by itself. You know? Mozilla yam. Planted 2 years ago.
You not dig it.
You need not dig it, my viewers. So you know say that big. 2 years, you know. My God. Yes, I.
Oh, take it deep.
Yeah. My God.
Get deep and dirt tough. Can't manage it now.
I forget something else to dig it. Yes, my viewers, I forget something else to dig this. They're too far.
Yeah.
My God. So, when you use dig this now, like how it is so far?
If I use the fork and dig right around it.
Oh my God. Yeah. Go on and eat the kind of one, go bruise it with the fork. Yeah, my viewers, if you yam big, you have to use a fork and dig around it.
It's a lovely yam, Mozilla.
Yeah.
A lot of people are familiar to it, you know.
Yeah. Understand. Mozilla. Yes, my viewers. We're on the plantation, yeah.
Yeah, man, go and clean up the place.
Yeah.
Because we know the rain soon comes.
The rain soon come.
Here.
Yeah, man, as you can see the sky, you know, the glare of the sun. My God. Yeah. Beautiful, my viewers. Beautiful sunshine land of Jamaica. Land of food and water. Yeah. Always farming something. That is what's going on today. Yeah, man, there's a lot of yam plant here, man. Yeah, man, chubby plant, whole heap of yam, as you can see. Yeah? Whole heap of yam plant here, my viewers. Yeah, this is not an easy task, you know. For real.
Yeah, man. Me have 800 right here.
Yeah.
Me have another 100 and about 30 right there.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that my viewers. Whole heap of yam, you know. Whole heap of yam, and all those bank need stick. All these stick you see here, every bank have to have their own stick, you know what I mean? Yeah,
But
so.
you want with me, you know. These are the lagwood.
Yeah,
The lagwood art.
yeah,
We have them here over 10, 12 years now.
yes, because I'm stronger.
Yeah. So I don't have to cut any more stick.
Yes, me
For a
understand.
couple of years.
Yeah, yeah. So you always use the lagwood heart.
Yeah, man. Then don't move.
Right. They're strong, very strong. The heart of the lagwood. Very strong. Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Real, man. It's all about farming.
It's all about farming. With our road, with our eagle.
Go some man. We're no eyeglass.
No.
Oh, you mean? Chat about.
We have to plant food to feed our family.
Yeah,
We can't buy food.
I mean, man, food expensive.
And these are natural, no fertilizer.
Yeah, no fertilizer, my viewers.
Yeah.
Yeah, we always go organic, you know what I mean?
Yeah, organic thing.
Yeah, man. Naturally.
Yeah, trim up here and replant it back, you know.
Yes. Have to trim it up, clean it up and thing. You know? Grow better. Spring better, you know? Give you a better springing. Alright. I'll go and get some yam out to plant in the other banks them. You know, the new bank them that dig. Yeah. Dirt is very dry. We need some rain.
Very, very dry, man.
Yeah, man. We need some rain. Oh, yeah.
Mash up your finger again.
Yeah. For real, man. For real. Yeah, the root them strong.
Yeah, man. Very, very strong.
Yeah, man. You hear that? Bust pie. Yeah. Yes, my viewers, we're up on the farm. We're on the farm. This is a nice head here. Nice head here, my viewers. Yeah? Spring out, long time. Oh. Yeah? Catch around it to see what's going on before.
They're tough.
Yeah. This is a piece of food is there, my people. Yeah? We have a piece of food here. Yes. Next time with him, I broke him, they want some more root cut. Yeah? A yellow yam this.
Yeah.
You have our next piece gone down, man. You have our next foot gone down in here. There.
Next foot there, here.
Yeah, man, our next foot upon it. Yes, my viewers. Anytime I'm ready for your chat, man. Yeah, man. Number in the description there. Yeah, man. Have any question, leave it in the comment box there. We're upon the farm.
Mountain pen.
Oh, you mean mountain pen? We up it. You see it? You have our next foot gone, so you know. That lucky thing you never jam that round, so. Yes, I. With the mountain pen, I dig some yam. I'm going to dig some yam bank after and show them what they go on my viewers. Yeah? Yes, my viewers. Can't pull it, man. Want some more digging? No, it's not, my viewers. You want huge. Yeah, can you hear the voice of echo back in the hills, you know, the mountain pen hills, you know what I mean? Yes. Echo back in the hills, aya. See? Whoa. Don't make it break. Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers, that's this we are talking about. Plant something.
Yeah, this is a black whisk.
Okay, okay. Black whisk.
Yeah, black with yam.
A black whisk yam. Okay. Black whisk yam, my
Black with
viewers.
yellow yam.
Yeah, black whisk yellow yam. My God, looking lovely. You just want a fish beside this when it cook, you know.
Yeah.
You know, good to go, you know, my viewers. My God. Yeah, this is how we eat yam, you know, fresh. Everything fresh from the plantation.
Yeah, organic. No fertilizer.
Organic. No fertilizer. Yes, I. That me I talk about, man. Looking lovely. Yes. My God. Looking beautiful. Oh, one more inside there.
Yeah, man, look at it.
Oh, my God, my viewers. We have to plant something, my viewers. I'm not joking.
Small one.
No, this one is small. Yes, my viewers. Yeah, that is a head. We're going to plant back that for a head. You know what I mean?
Plant this. Get food.
Yeah. Cut off the tail, right? Make it sun burn the tail, you know?
Yeah.
Yes, I. Yes, my viewers.
So the thing is set, you know?
Yeah. Dep on the farm. Check one more, my viewers, see what they go on inside there. Yes, I. We're checking one more. Whoa. This look like a round leaf, man.
Yeah, this is around.
It have some sweet yam beside it.
Yeah.
My God, my viewers. Sweet yam nice, you know? My God. Yes, my viewers, that's how we do it, you know. We eat everything fresh from the plantation. Yeah? Right, this is a nice head.
Yeah, this is a nice round leaf head.
Yeah, round leaf head. Watch the sprout. Sprout is beautiful, white. Yeah? My God. Yes, my viewers. What you mean? Yes, my viewers, please remember to press the like button for me now. Please, I beg you, please and thanks. Yeah, you like the video? Yeah, give me a thumbs up, alright? Yeah, man, we're up on the plantation. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, Jamaican Farmers Out. We are here. Yeah, show you guys what's going on here. Yeah, man. Let me carry one now, man. Did. Yes, I. Me carry the big one, me people. Yes, I. Jaja. We dip on the farm, my viewers. We dip on the farm. Yeah, dip on the farm, man.
Yeah, we dip on the farm with a mountain pen, you know?
Yeah, man. Mountain Pen Farm with it. Ah, yeah. Yes, I.
We can't hungry around and stuff.
Yes, man, for real. That's your job. That's your job, reviewers. Soon come back for it. Yes, my viewers. When we say Jamaican Farmers Hut, it's all about the hut is over there. You know what I mean? Yeah? Jamaican Farmers Hut. That is why I say Jamaican Farmers Hut. The hut is over there. Alright? So if rain start to fall, that is where we run to. Alright? Well. Yeah. Hardly want to let it go. Yo! Jaja. Yes, my viewers. They are upon the plantation, my viewers. This is what? This is a piece of yam.
Yeah, piece of renter.
A piece of renter. I'll put it on one cool spot, make it sprout.
Yeah, no. That ain't trash.
Put it on some trash, make it sprout. Once it starts to sprout, you will find it. You might not see it now, but once it starts to sprout, you will find it. Because it's going to push up a vine. Yeah? For real. Yes, my viewers.
Yeah, look at it.
Yes, my viewers. You see that? And it's going to stay there until tomorrow. Same color. Not going to change.
Not going to turn black.
Yeah, not going to turn black. Yeah?
Got no fertilizer.
No fertilizer is on it. For real, man.
Lovely piece of food, this one.
Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, my viewers. Yeah? Yeah. Yes, my viewers. Alright, now cut the head in two to get two head out of it. Alright? Yeah, my viewers. Yeah, man. Farmer shall be there, man. There, man.
Yeah.
There,
Well,
man.
we'll start dig a few yam bank.
Alright, my viewers. It's all about time to dig the yam bank now. So stick around. See how the bank dig, alright?
That's as soon as the yam come up, the grass take longer to grow.
Oh, you clear away the trash from the bank. Where you're gonna dig the bank.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, man.
Because you don't want the trash get into the yam bank, what they say, it burn the yam.
Oh. Oh,
That's
the
why-
trash.
That's why I have to clear it away.
Trash will burn the yam.
Yeah.
Alright, my viewers, the trash will burn the yam. So you dig out in the middle there first. It is a whole bank, so you know, more easier to dig.
Yeah, it's softer.
Softer to dig, you know what I mean? Yeah, my viewers. This is how the yam bank dig, you know? Yeah. Alright, just soften it up because the yam have to go down into that middle part there, into that soft soil, you know?
Yeah.
So you soften it up before you start to heap it up. Yeah. So most people use a hoe and a fork, but you know, you can use just the fork.
That's black alone.
Yeah, man, just the fork alone. Yes, I. So after you soften up right through the bank, you started to heap it up.
Start to mold it.
Mold it, you start to mold it, alright? Yeah. Real, man. Real, yeah. This is how the bank dig. This is how the bank dig, my viewers. This is how the bank dig. Yeah?
This is how we do it in Jamaica.
Yes, I. Yes, I. This is how we plant yam in Mountain Pen. Yeah, right here in Chilana, the cockpit country. Yes, I. Alright. See the bank start to heap now? Yeah?
Yes, this is almost complete.
Yeah, almost complete now. Yeah? Yes, my viewers. Yeah? Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Complete.
Yeah, it's complete.
Yeah, man. Nice little bank, you know. Dropping the yam inside the yam have to be here because the soil is very soft and nice. Yeah?
Yeah, man.
My God. So how long you have been digging the yam bank?
Boy, more than 40 years now.
My God. Yes, I.
More than 40 years.
For real, man. For real, for real, for real.
I made it for 10 years with my grandmother.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Mama Ivy.
Yeah, Mama Ivy.
I
Yeah?
mean, Mama Ivy, big up yourself anyway you're there, yeah?
One and only.
For real, man. For real, man. Yeah. There up on the farm of yours.
Yeah, we have to prepare it, you know, for rain, so we start falling.
Yeah, we soon get rain, so we
Yeah.
have to prepare the ground for the rain.
So when the rain start falling, you can't do nothing. You have to just sit down and watch the rain.
Right. I make the plant them get water.
Yeah, so yeah.
So you have to put in the work now in the dry time. Real, me viewers.
Wise man do that, you know?
Yeah, for real, for real. For real. Yes, my viewers.
If you just sit down and wait for rainfall, you never do anything.
Right.
And when the rain start falling, you can't do nothing.
Can't do nothing. So you do it before the rain start.
Yeah. Just do it and let God start working, you know?
What you mean, man? Because
Yeah.
after you're done do the work, prepare the plantation, Father go send some rain.
Yeah, man, go send rain.
Yeah, man. Go so
So
on.
then tell you, I go smile.
Yeah. All right. You dip inside the middle of it, you know? Yeah? Make sure you pull it up, soften it up, make it nice. You're making a cushion for the yam to bear, you know? Have space. Wow. Some head is here. Yes, I.
Yeah, I'm broke, man.
Yam broke, sweet yam. My favorite yam that is sweet yam. Yes, my viewers. Making some yam banks here. Yeah? Yes, sir. One more little head. You have to continue planting them. So each time you dig out the bank and you find them small, you plant them, then get bigger and bigger each time. Yeah. So one at a time, you're gonna dig up and them gonna get big. Yeah. Yeah, man. So small as them is, put them back inside the bank. Yeah? Trust me. Going to get bigger one day. Yes, my viewers. One more bank.
Yes, sir.
Man is on the fork, you know, mountain pen style. Yeah. Yes, sir. Nice style, you know.
Yeah, man. This #1 size, man.
Yeah, man.
Ain't you put one else up here, man.
Yeah.
You have to plant it.
Have you plant it, just put it down.
Just put it down.
Yeah. Yes, my viewers. Soften up inside of the belly there first. Yeah. After you soften up the belly now, you fix it up and from the outside.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're good to go. Yes, sir. They're up on the farm, my people. Yeah, man, this is how we do it in Jamaica, you know?
We have to go and mash stuff, you know?
Yeah, man, we have to plant something because we have to eat, you know?
Famine will come.
Mm-hmm.
And people will go want food.
Yeah.
So you have to plant the food.
Plant the food, my viewers.
We help out the people, you know?
See.
And we need more people in the farming.
Yeah, for real.
Because it's not pretty.
True, man. True.
Yeah, man, so. Father give me the talent to do the work, so I have to do it, you know?
Yeah.
If not, I'll get a beating.
I get a beating. And we need some of the bigger heads them too in a society for, you know, for start work with the farmers them now, you know? Help out some of the farmers them who need help. Yeah, man.
Me night for that thing, you know, something. And I feed off her.
Yeah, for real.
So we can't give it up.
Yeah, for real.
We give it up. Problem.
Trouble. Trouble if you give it up, pard.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Yes, sir. So how you get rid of the grass them inside there? Spray ground?
Nah, man, we weed it, man.
Oh, you weed?
Yeah.
You notice no grass no inside here?
Yeah, man, we weed it, man.
Yeah, for real. For real, man. Because you don't want no chemical inside of the ground here.
Not even chemical.
Right. Original, man. Love that.
Chemical kill out other plants.
Yeah, for real. For real, man.
You want to say for weed, you know?
Yeah. Yes, I.
Very, very nice.
Yeah, man. Farming nice, man. Love to plant and reap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not nice, I know, you know, hard work, I know, you know.
Yeah, but reaping time.
Reaping time.
Reaping time. Nice, my viewers. Yeah. And when you're there home and you put a fish on the grill, you can put a piece of yam one side. You know what I mean?
I tell you.
Yeah. Yeah, man. After hard days of work.
Yeah, man, make palatable meal, man.
What you mean, man? For real, man. For real, man. Yes, my viewers, we're there. We're there in a mountain pen in a farm. Alright, to the point one more bank here. Yes, I. Touch up the middle of the bank. My viewers, take notes. Yeah? Yeah? If this was a new bank, I see when you do it now, you dig out the middle first.
Yeah.
Soft up the middle and then you start around the side and the hedges and heap it up. And mold it. Yeah. And that is a bank. But through this is a whole bank, it is very easy to dig, you know?
Yeah, man, very easy.
Yeah, very easy to dig. So most of the time a guy would come to your farm and do like all 300 a day. Yeah.
I can't do that from the part hurt.
Okay. Guess what?
Can't do it again.
Yeah. Boss run out time prime, you know? Yes, my viewers. They are the beautiful soil, you know? So the cockpit country of Trelawney, countryside here. Where most yam plant, you know? Yeah? The real man.
You take a breather sometime, it's not easy.
Yeah, man, you have to take a 5 sometime, man. Take a 5 sometime, my viewers. Yeah, man. Yes, Yes, my viewers, don't forget to like and to share and to subscribe to the channel if you love what you see is going on here. Yeah, man, Jamaican Farmers Hut. It's all about we have to plant something. It's all about farming. Seeing it is a farming revolution. Yeah. All right. Boss, I'll take a 5. But yes, my viewers, there's a lot more bank here to take care of, you know? Yeah, man. So, little by little, everything is going to finish here. Yeah? Plant back out. When you come back the next time, the ground is green up. Everything is run up and stick and green up. All these dry we see here from the yam, it was green. So the next time we come back here, everything is going to green.
These are going to fall off.
Yeah. All these dry one is going to off and then the green sprout is going to hop again, full up. You can't look through the plantation again as how we're looking through it now. Yeah, the next time. So stick around for that video. We're coming back when everything is up. Yeah?
Yeah, man, live in living colors, you know?
Yeah, man. Well, that me say, back on the bank. Yes, I. It's all about farming. My dirt soft, sir.
Yeah, but it's
Yeah, man. Soft and nice. Rotted. Yeah?
pause the camera.
Yes, my viewers, it's all about yam. Yeah? This is the location for the yam. We have 1 and 2 banana here, but we have whole heap of banana here, don't shabby they shoot up.
Yeah, man.
No, it's not. This me like seeing, man. This me like sit up blows not. Whole heap of banana. Yeah? Yes, my viewers, stick around. Whole heap of thing are going on the farm, you know? Yes, my viewers, this is the reason why the channel name Jamaican Farmers Hut. Yeah? This is the hut, my viewers. Yeah. This is the hut, my viewers. When I come at the plantation, yeah, inside here, so we put on the pot. As you can see, pot, dutchy, everything is here. It's all about like with the home, you know what I mean? Inside here, so the hut. Yeah. Fork and spoon, everything is well prepared, put one side. John won't start. Me have a little flour, a little salt, a little, you know, every little thing, a little curry at the corner there. Yeah. You don't know my viewers. For real. See the pot them there? Jamaican Farmers Hut. Remember me tell you. Alright, this is the stove. This is the stove. As you can see, here is the gas. This is the gas for the stove. You know what I mean? Yes, my viewers. You know, run out. Yeah? You know, come at the plantation and put on the pot. Yeah, my viewers. Underneath the hut here. Nice. Yeah, man. Sit inside the hut here, man. Oh, God, man. It's a nice view here, you know? It's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. Yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Mountain pen, you know? Yeah? The hills and valleys. Yes, my viewers, stick around. It's all about Jamaican farmers. So don't forget to press the like button if you love the video. You know what I mean? Trust me, it's all about it. Help the channel to move forward, you know? The YouTube algorithm, yeah. You know? It is very good. So please and thanks. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to the channel. Let me show you what's going on over there. Alright. The hills and the valleys, alright. Yeah, man. So this is the mint tree. Yeah? This is the mint, you know? Pick to make tea. Yeah. See, right there, so. Yeah, man, you don't come out bush and drink tea, you just pick a piece of mint. Yeah. Hold on, them viewers. It's a round leaf. Just dig, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, round leaf.
This is it.
Yeah, you mean, man, I eat that. Yes, my viewers, a round leaf, you know? The one they to me look like a St. Vincent.
Yeah.
Oh,
This is a St. Vincent.
St. Vincent. You can see the color. Oh, yeah, man. I'm always round, you know? St. Vincent. Yes, my viewers.
Pink sprout.
Yeah, sprout. The color of the sprout, same with the yam look inside, you know? Yeah. You mean, man? Yeah, man. Yes, my viewers, with the on the plantation. See there? Nice yam head, you know? Yeah. Cut it in two to get two head. Right, you want to part of it cut.
See this one?
Yeah, it have an XI. Yeah, it have an XI. It have both an XI, my viewers. Yeah? You mean, man? Yeah, my viewers, it's all about the plantation. After plant something, else we not go eat. Yeah, man. It's all about the cockpit countryside of Jamaica. In Chilani here, you know?
You have to take out that's what.
Yeah.
I'm planting them. So when you get the pressure, then I plant them.
Okay, me understand. I mean, man. Yes, my viewers. Yeah, man, with the mountain pen higher. Side. Scene. Yes, my viewers, trust me, never want to come out of the hut. Oh God, man. Underneath the hut, cool like cucumber. Ah, back into the sunshine, you don't know. Crocus bag. It's all about farming. Stick around. Yeah, man, it's all about time. We are going to plant some head, you know. In the bank, them just like this one here. Yeah. It's all about on the plantation. Yeah, we have some yam here. You remember those yam? Yeah. It's all about 2 hours now. And look on the yam. The color is still. Yeah. Look on the color of the yam. Yeah. Natural. No fertilizer. Yes, my viewers. No fertilizer. Look on the head. You know the head always get red after it cut. Look at this. Yellow. Yellow same way. Natural. Alright? Remember, natural is the mystic and the mystic is natural. Alright? If you want to go vital, you have to go vital. See? Yeah? It's all about food, my viewers. So this is the one that we put into the pot we cook, you know? Yeah, this is the one that we cook into the pot. So we keep them close. Yeah? Yeah, my viewers, we on the farm. Yeah, man, we're up on Shabby farm, you know. We up on Mountain Pena. Yeah? So, stick around because I'm going to plant some yam now in the new bank them. Yeah, them new bank there, I'm going to put in some yam. Planting some yam inside there, and then we're going to leave. See? So, stick around to see the planting of the yam. See? See? As you can see, we have some banana tree here. Banana tree. Right along this line here is some banana tree. And as you can see, banana is here, my viewers. One is here. This is the next one. This is the next one over here. Yeah. We have one next one here. So as you can see, my viewers, whole heap of food is here, man. There's a lot of food is here. Alright. A lot of food is here, my viewers. So you know you have to plant something. If you don't plant, you're not gonna eat. It's going to cost you money when you go to the supermarket, alright? So stick around. It's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. Here, my viewers. It's all about sugar cane. I find a piece of sugar cane, see if I can munch pan. Yeah, come on, plantation, you know. Yeah, that's why every time I come here, I jam a piece of cane, you know. Yeah, but why worm? Worm take them over. Worm in the one there?
Must.
Nice one, that, you know. Worm in this. Ah, but my height look nice there. See every top of the plant back. Yes, my viewers. The worm did it, but you know, still can't find one little piece. Wow. Yes, blessings. That me I talk about, my viewers. Time to eat cane, you know. Yes, my viewers. My favorite this, you know. When I come to plantation, my favorite this. See? Yes! The teeth them not so strong again like one time gone, you know. You kind of grow them out now. See? Alright, viewers, time to plant the yam now. Yeah? Planting of the yam.
Yeah, this is the sweet yam.
Yeah, sweet yam.
You plant it beside the yellow yam to back it.
Alright.
This is a round leaf head. So you plant one bit.
Okay. So you plant 2 sweet yam against the round leaf.
Yeah, man.
So what is sweet yam though? It guide the round leaf.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah, man.
We got the viewers. Alright. One bang to go, one more leaf to go. Planting of the yam. Yeah. Sink the machete. Push it in. Yeah. Alright, my viewers.
Yeah, it's a sweet, you know.
Yes, sir.
You have to buy some yam.
We don't have enough.
No, sir.
Just some man have to go to the market to buy some. Yes, more planting. Yeah. 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 Yes, my viewers. Planting of the yams. So this pretty one here is long vine. Yeah. Want a special bank to put this one in.
I have a special bank for him.
Okay. I mean, man. Yeah. Boy. Crack that. Still a good grow, man.
Still out there, man.
Yes, my viewers, by 2 weeks time, I have to lead it up on the stick here. If it don't go up on the stick, it's not gonna bear, it's not gonna get big, it's not gonna grow inside the earth. So I have to lead the vine up on the stick here. Yeah, so by next month, all the vine go up on the stick here. yeah, make a lot of leaf, lot of branches up here. You know what I mean? So that is the time when it bear. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. More yammed.
Sweet yam with them.
Yeah.
Plant beside the yellow yam.
Yeah man, sweet yam them plant beside the yellow yam. Yeah? Yeah man. Yeah man, and them guy the yellow yam them, you know? Sweet yam. Yeah? Yes I. Sweet yam always beside the yellow yam. So when you dig in yellow yam, you have sweet yam to dig also.
Yeah.
Alright? Yeah? That me I talk about.
You're hungry.
You're hungry for your farm. Yeah. Yes I. Yes I. Yes I. It's all about planting.
You don't plant, you cannot reap.
Hmm. Yeah. That is the planting of the head.
Look upon the animal, I know the
Yeah.
estimate.
Yeah man, I know they still a change color. It's still yellow. Yeah man, natural. Mm-hmm. Natural. Natural is the mystic is natural. Yeah.
Next week, I'm gone.
Mm. Yeah man. Where's if the rain go fall?
Next week, I'll have a sort of
Mm. Hmm. Yes, my viewers. We're the inside the middle of the plantation here. Yeah. It's all about yams. Yeah man, sweet yam, yellow yam, round leaf. You name it. All type of yams. Yeah. That is the food. This is the food, my viewers. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Beautiful.
You put it in that bucket.
Oh, the bucket there.
I'll look back on myself and I'll put it in water. Now,
Oh, you choke the water. What you have?
that's when I come back here.
Yes, my viewers. It's all about food time. food bucket, you know. Yeah. Yes, I. Yes, I.
It's a sweet yam head.
Sweet yam.
How many yam you have?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yam that, you know.
Yeah, yeah. Oh my God. Go some man.
5 sweet yam like it for this next year.
Ready to sprout.
Yeah. Yeah, I can cut it.
Yeah, get 2 head out of it. Yeah, man. Yes, I. Can't left yet, boy. Yes, baby, was. Hear that, my viewers? Hear the echo? Hear like somebody answer back. Yes, I. Inside the hills and valley here of Mountain Pen, the cockpit countryside of Trelawney, you know what I mean? Yeah. What do you mean? Them man tick them, took them tree, them man never grow. Can't believe how them become next time you see them. Yes, my viewers. It's all about the planting back yams. Alright? It's all about. We are on the plantation. And we have a nice bucket of food here. Can't hungry. Yes, I. Yes, I. Yes, my viewers, I don't know we are left out of the plantation, you know. Yeah. Have a bucket of food, of cane I eat, I don't know. It's all about Jamaican farmers. So here we are going now. We are left out of the bush. Side, yeah man, Mountain Pen, you don't know it's all about. Yeah man, so here we are going now, you know. If you want to watch the next video, you can watch this video here. Yeah? Or you watch this one over here. Alright? So here's my viewers. You don't know, it's all about Jamaican farmers. It's all about plant something. Peace. I'm out.